Oh, that's a good one. We get a lot of people in that have seen TikToks and social media, and they're like, oh, can you come in and crack my neck like I've seen this guy do? And the usual answer is no, we can't. I don't think it's necessarily the crack that's addictive, although, as I say, some people do like it. It's the after effects, it's the release of tension, it's the increased mobility. That's what people love, and that's why people keep coming back, because they feel better, they can move. Once the body moves and functions, everything feels better. So why would you not want to do that?